Hi guys, so welcome to the second video on the SQL series. So in this video, I will be sharing how we can restore the AdventureWorks database. It's a sample database which is available in the Microsoft site, and it's contain a very basic tables and the very good schema to start learning on the SQL part. So we will be downloading this database from the Microsoft site, and the final outcome from this video should be we will be able to restore the database, and all the tables and the database should be available for our next video, and where we can start querying the data. So you can open any of the your favorite browser and type the AdventureWorks database, and it should be the first link on the Microsoft site. Click here, and as you can see, there are multiple BAK files are available, so you can download any one of it. I'm going to download 2019 one. Uh, if you have installed the SQL Server 2016, you can use this one. If you are want to use the data warehouse BAK file, BAK file is nothing but the backup file which we can restore, and it contains the whole database, tables and the other relevant uh, functions and the schemas, indexing, everything included. So I will click on the 2019 PAK file, and it should start. Yeah, the download has started. Sorry. So as I said, you can use uh, you can take any of the backup file. I will be using 2019. Just click on that, and your download should start, uh, and it should take within like 10-20 seconds based upon your internet connection speed. For me, it's showing 10 seconds. It should be, yep, it should be completed, done. So I have downloaded the BAK file. So what I want to do next is open up the SSMS tools. So this is, you can go to your Windows option and scroll down or type it out SSMS, and that should be there. So once you open the application, click login, and you should see something like this. So as you can see, I don't have any database set up here. These are the master model MSDDB or TempDB. These are the baseline databases which comes with the product. And to restore the database, uh, the BAK file which we have just downloaded, you just right click on the databases and say restore databases. So there are two options whether you can use the database or the devices. In our case, we will be using the devices, and click on these three dot buttons. So here the option is, it is asking select the backup device. So we'll say add. And as you can see, our backup should be available here. You can go to your downloads where you have download, or you can go to this link, do Control R, paste this link and open. It will ask whether you want to open, give the access, yes. And let's go to downloads, copy this. I can do cut, go back and paste it here. Click refresh. Yep, I can see the AdventureWorks 2019 BAQ file. Click OK. Click OK. And at this point, you can click OK actually, and the restoration process will start. There are other advanced features which you can do, but that is not required in our case. and it says database AdventureWorks 2019 restored successfully. Yep, let's click OK and let's go to the SSMS, and you can see the AdventureWorks 2019 database is available now, right? And let's open that. So in this we have a multiple tables, you see. Uh, so this database has the your human resource table, person table, product, and sales data. So we will be using this some of this table for our querying practice. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys.